Sandesh.
Greetings and salutations. As we step into the heart of the year, we are thrilled to announce the July edition of Sunrise Sandesh. So let's dive into the pages to stay informed, inspired, and connected with the pulse of our dynamic campus.
With full throttle and zeal, the school's Fun Mahotsav week festivities engulf the campus, embracing the students of all ages, from KG to higher secondary, in the shared commitment to ecological conservation. On 3rd July, the campus hosted the poem and essay writing competition, in which the students showcased their creativity on the vital topic importance of planting trees. On 4th July, the students of class 9th and 10th participated in a rally focusing on environmental awareness.
On 5th of July, a QR code creation activity was organized in our campus for class 11th and 12th, empowering students to know that plants under innovative initiative for accessing information. As on 2nd July, the Notice Board Committee proudly announced the Best Class Award under the primary section, Class 3 Believers, led by Shweta ma'am, claiming the top spot. For Class 6 to 8, Seema ma'am, 8 Explorers emerged victorious. Meanwhile, in the higher secondary wing, Class 10th Believers, Suman ma'am shone bright, bagging the Best Class title.
The topic for notice board display for this month was Rainy Day Safety Way, in which nursery aspirers from pre-primary section, 3rd challengers from primary section, 8th aspirers from middle school and 10 challengers from high school received the first position for displaying a beautiful and thoughtful notice board.
As on 2nd July, the school unveiled a flex banner featuring the inspirational ministers of the primary section, while the high school minister were displayed on 11th July. Remedial classes is currently undergoing in full swing, every evening in the campus, providing the needy students the helping hands towards learning and growing. Additionally, karate learning sessions has been led by our skilled instructor, Mr. Kuldeep sir, with full zeal.
On 4th July, Class 6 Explorer and Dreamer together supported Charvait Seva initiative showcasing their charity and compassion, distributing food to those in need. On 11th July, the same target was achieved by Class 5th Aspirers and Believers. Again on 18th July, Class 5th Challenger and Dreamer gave their helping hand for the noble cause. Finally, on 24th July, Class 5th Explorer and 4th Aspirers together supported for the charity service.
In July, our committees convened crucial meetings to drive progress and planning. Highlights included July 8th, CBSE activity and exam seating arrangement meeting, focusing on seamless execution. July 9th, a series of strategic meetings including Eco Club discussing sustainability initiatives, Independence Day preparation finalizing event details, Exam Committee reviewing exam protocols, Notice Board Committee coordinating updates and announcements.
On 12th of July, Burlington English successfully organized an online certification program in phonetics, presented in an engaging webinar format, facilitating a comprehensive learning experience for participants. Our students have garnered prestigious accolades and esteemed events showcasing their prowess and dedication. Notably, Arya Pathak of Class 6 Aspires has won a gold medal in Courage, exemplifying her outstanding skill and tenacity. Jati Gaur of Class 3rd Aspires has won a bronze medal in Karate, demonstrating her nascent yet remarkable talent. Dhruv Singh Rajput of Class 8 Believers has delivered a stellar performance in Courage, underscoring his unwavering commitment and potential.
Bhumi Vike of 6th Believers brought laurel to the school by winning silver medal in Narmadapuram District Yogasan Championship 2025. Congratulations to Bhumi for her achievement. Sanvi Gupta from 12th standard received 12th Meritorious Students Award from Bhopal Sahodaya Complex for securing top rank in CBSE 12th exam from Servite Convent School. On the occasion of World Chess Day, a district level chess competition was organized by District Chess Committee, in which Purv Korapa of 3rd Challengers secured 6th position in under 12 category. Congratulations to Mitash Bavaria of 6th Explorers for securing 4th rank in District Yogasan Championship. A session was organized for the students of 12th Believers on strategies to get success in exam. It was organized by school and the resource person was the councillor Mrs. Pallavi Choksal ma'am, and the session was held on 30th July 2025.
Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can become a power that no one can ignore. Our Class 5 Believer Assembly beautifully showcased the National Doctors Day, highlighting the importance of healthcare professionals. As on 19th of July, a science quiz competition has been led by the Class 4 teachers in which students show their talent.
Again, on the same day, our tiny tots of the pre-primary celebrated rainy day dressed as an adorable raincoat and umbrella. The festivities culminated with a delightful pool party, making an unforgettable experience for our young learners.
On 22nd July, a community made a road safety appeal to students, parents and staff, requesting them to follow a specific entry and exit route. The suggested route was to enter from Mandi Gate and to exit from hospital side.
The parents-teacher meeting was held on the following day for respective classes. 2nd July for classes nursery and KG, 3rd July for classes 1 to 5, 4th July for classes 6 to 8 and 5th July for classes 9 to 12. The schedule allowed focused interaction between parents and teacher, allowing meaningful discussion about student growth and progress.
On 23rd July, the Eco Club of our school organized a vibrant activity program to celebrate environmental awareness. This event featured a wide range of cultural programs like captivating dance and song performances, all highlighting the importance of saving our planet. The earth has enough resources for our needs, but not enough for our greed. This event serves as a poignant reminder of our responsibilities towards our planet. A comprehensive POXO awareness seminar focusing on the paramount topic of safe and unsafe touch was successfully facilitated for students in class 3rd to 5th on July 24, 2025. The session, expertly led by esteemed resource persons Pallavi ma'am and Dolly ma'am, provided students with invaluable insights and knowledge on safeguarding their personal boundaries and well-being.
On July 25, Soumya Pardesi, a distinguished student of class 10 from the Challengers, co-headed naming the top spot in a marathon race organized by the Hoshangabad Police Department, showcasing exceptional athletic prowess and dedication.
The pre-primary wing joyously celebrated Heartwarming Grandparents' Day on July 26, providing a platform for students to cherish quality time with their grandparents. Honor their legacy, creating lasting memories. Green Fun with Grandparents was successfully carried out, where parents and children planted saplings together, fostering bonding and environmental awareness. A heartwarming event filled with joy, laughter and learning. This special event not only strengthened family ties but also taught our little ones the importance of caring of environment.
On July 28, the MP government organized a state-level writing competition
for class 9 to 12 on the theme Nashe se Duri Hai Jaruri, aiming to raise awareness among youth about the perils of substance abuse and promote a drug-free lifestyle.
In essay writing competition, Abhiroop Chandra of 9th aspirers secured first position, Rimsha Khan of 9 challengers secured second position, and Riya Sahu of 10 challengers secured third position. Congratulations to all the students. Reading challenge activity was conducted by 3rd and 5th grade on 31st of July, in which students chose their exceptional reading skill. Heartfelt congratulations to our outstanding students Parth Lalwani of 2nd Challenger, Harshit Khatri, 3rd Dreamers, Minakshi Rao, 3rd Explorers, Vedic Paliwal, 4th Aspirers, Trinay Gulati, 6th Explorers, Sarthak Goplani, 7th Explorer, and Ishika Seth of 10 Believers for achieving 100% attendance in the year 2024 to 25.
Upcoming events. We are pleased to inform you that our school has done the registration for CBSE Safal Exam 2025-26, and this exam is going to be held in upcoming month. Like every year, our school community is preparing itself for the Grand Independence Day celebration, and the revision tests are going to be started from 18th August.
For more updates, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.